Okay, so those are the oils, and I should make you a video that'll tell you what each of the oils is good for. But what else is in the bag? So these are some of the things that I do with the oils. We can make our own lip balm, and it's very, very simple. I don't know if you guys have done this in Poland, but there are just a few simple ingredients that you just melt down, and I've included them in here, except for one that I know you can get there. You can get solid coconut oil in Poland, which is one of the ingredients, and shea butter and beeswax are the other two. So you're just gonna put these into a pan and melt them down according to the instructions here. And then you can use these, it's called a pipette to, sure, go ahead. You'll just be like drawing the hot wax out, and it'll go into a tube like this. You'll pull it out and then fill it up, and then it will harden. And well, before it hardens, you're going to want to put 2 drops of essential oil in here of your choice. Some of the good ones are peppermint and orange, or citrus fresh is another good one. We'll get to all of that, but these are just some of the things that we're doing here in the US. Instead of accepting chemicals and toxic poison things in our bodies, we're just making very simple things, and we use our own essential oils to do it. So it's really easy. And again, I have instructions, but if you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them for you. So, oh, go ahead, baby. When you take the beeswax and the shea butter out of these containers, keep these containers. Because you can use them to split up a body butter. This is a homemade body butter, and it's basically the same ingredients that we use for lip balm. So I just went ahead and included some that's already made, and then you can divide it up and separate it out into these little jars and split it up how you want to. But you can either like put lavender in this, and it's great for skin that way, or you could make a chest rub out of it. You could put eucalyptus in there, you could put eucalyptus and a little lemon and peppermint, and then that way if anybody has any trouble with their respiratory system, with a cold or whatever, then it makes a great chest rub. So that's another thing that you'll be able to do. This is to make some roller bottles, and some of the favorite things that we like to put in our roller bottles are thieves oil, which is an immune system booster. It's a germ killer, so we like to add some of that with, that's good with lavender, and wintergreen for things that hurt. Like if your joints hurt, you can make a roller for that, or you can just make something that smells pretty. It's up to you. So there are 2 containers that have fractionated, which is liquid coconut oil, that you could put with essential oil into a roller bottle, and it's got little roller tops that you just put on the top there and close it up. And then you'll each have a spray bottle, And I like to put lavender in mine to spray on my pillow. A lovely before sleep spray. There are other things you can do, like make a bug repellent spray. You can just make a room spray for just a good smell. And we like to do that now instead of some of the other toxic options that we were using in the past, because we're just now finding out that a lot of the room fresheners that have been bombarding our markets in America for the last 20 or 30 years cause cancer. So we really stay away from fragrance, and this is how we scent our home with these oils. We use them for medicine. We use them for cleaning. We use them for just about everything. So,
Baking.
for baking, thank you, Katie. I'm also gonna throw in, this is duct tape, and this is how I will sometimes decorate the roller bottle. Just put a little duct tape on it, and that will also make it shatterproof. It can be also used on like this. It'll fit perfect on this jar, and also the spray bottle. It'll work great on that. And we use it on our lip balm if you would like to decorate that. So we're including some of that. And last but not least, I'm sorry, there's only one, but it's a diffuser. And the diffuser is awesome to put scents in your home. You would just be amazed at how having a nice citrus smell wafting through your home can make you feel uplifted and cheer you up, or how lavender can help someone sleep, or eucalyptus can help somebody breathe. So you're gonna have to share this one, but hopefully you'll figure out how to get another diffuser. And we want to wish you all a Merry Christmas in Poland. And we look forward to coming back, and we'd also love to see you here in the States, so stay in touch. Okay, Kate.